Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. This comes from Rich in Springbrook, TWP. I'll assume that stands for Township. Springbrook Township, Pennsylvania. This customer has requested the modern internal conversion to add FM. He's requested that it be wired to his original connectors, which is perfectly fine. The only drawback is that you don't get that big increase in output power, and of course you only get 2-speaker operation. Or the way that a lot of these Chrysler vehicles are wired, this could actually power 5 speakers in its current state, because it has a crossover network and which divides the left and right signals between 5 speakers in weird ways. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on. I have it set to FM at the moment. And we're just gonna run down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations.
By Robert Schumann.
And of course they'll be in varying degrees of signal strength.
Of today has knocked down the
graphics. We're proud.
Turn it down a little bit.
Represented hospitals, doctors, nurses, dentists.
Before I have to pull the scrap out the...
More at townhall.com.
Okay, let's flip it to FM, which on this unit we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Now we're on AM. We get one strong station about the center of the dial.
He will be in close contact with the governor's
Okay, there's our AM station. Okay, let's make sure our balance control still works.
About wearing face coverings in appropriate situations, practicing physical distancing,
that's the tone control.
Hands. I'm Link Elliott.
Balance left.
After 3
Balance
years
right.
of planning and construction,
Left.
the new Prescott Regional Airport
Right.
Terminal is open to passengers.
Airport management analyst Christy Miller explains this new terminal.
Okay, now let's try the 8-track. We got Neil Sedaka on deck. We don't need the meters anymore. Neil Sedaka. Nice, bright sounding 8-track. That's because it has my preamp instead of the factories. Okay, we're at the blank spot there. We'll skip over that. Okay, right at the end of a song here. So we may have an automatic track change coming. Yep, there's the automatic track change. Alrighty, pull the tape out, and the radio comes back, and that concludes the test. Just make sure our dial light comes on. I'm just going to apply power to the dial lamp, and I can see that's coming on. So that takes care of that. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old classic car AM radio. We can add FM. This customer didn't request it, but we can also add Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio, aux input, and who knows what else by the time you're ready to send your radio in for service. So my website is in the description below, and my phone number for paying, repair, or conversion customers only is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.